Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to blur part of an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. First I will use polygon tool, polygon lasso tool, and select to this area. Hold shift, drag and move, and adjust to this corner. Go to filter tab, blur, field blur. Click OK. Press Ctrl D. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.